Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing a hygiene everything routine. One of my favorite showers when I have to wash my hair as well. I just love when the water touches my scalp. And yes, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, it's Adrian Marie. We doing a lot of self-care. We're doing a little vlog. We just doing what we want to do over here. But you guys, this is my everything shower routine. I'm not using the same product every shower because I just love trying different shower products, hair care. And in order for me to start washing my hair, you guys, I have low porosity hair and I like to use certain shampoos and conditioners to get it done. I'll be using the lymph retention system, you guys. I ordered this from a Instagrammer, but she's located out in Houston, Texas. Man, she's amazing. This system is a little pricey, but when the price is doing what it gotta do to my hair, it does not matter. I shout out to Ronita B. Huff. Go find her on Instagram, you guys. She's amazing. You see the videos, you see the truth. You just gotta be patient. Just gotta be motivated to get your hair to grow long. I know a lot of black women is trying to grow their hair, but they're not understanding lymph retention. Ladies, you're gonna get to it. You're gonna know what to do and what not to do for beautiful, long, luscious hair. So yes. And on another hair tip, go watch Sundal channel. Like, she don't play no games. She ain't beating around no bush. Like, I came from wash and goes and I just could not do wash and goes no more. That done tore my head up. Single strand knots, holes in my hair shaft disorders, baby. Do not look at the price. I'm not that type of person. I'm looking for results and being consistent. Washing your scalp. I'm washing my scalp these days twice a week, and when I tell you I love it, I'm addicted to washing my hair. Like, if I could wash my hair every day, I would do it. But when I wash my hair twice a week, the hair growth is just like life-changing. So amazing, so fast. But this lymph retention shampoo is a moisturizing shampoo. I did not need to go in and use a clarifying shampoo this week because I really haven't been putting product in my hair. I've been keeping it minimum, you guys, and you should too, because all that product is not good for your hair. I'm trying to tell you, listen. Ooh wee, when I tell you, I get really excited when I use this. I don't use it every wash day, but this, man, this is a cream chocolate mask. It looks so good and it smells amazing. I found this out of the whim when I went to the beauty supply store. You never know what they're gonna have, but this mask, I be trying stuff because I do have low porosity hair, and we're gonna do a little cocktail with the conditioner and this mask, because the conditioner, you can leave it on your hair with heat for 15 minutes as well as the mask. So hey, cocktail it is. It goes in super soft on my hair. My hair loves it. If you could see, it really sinks into my hair shaft. That's how I know products are good for my hair, because as soon as you put them on, like, they really start dissolving into my hair shaft, and I really love that for me. But this cream hair mask, it is giving maximum conditioning. It's a highly emollient conditioner with moisturizing agents. It has cocoa. bubble bath and a shower gel, which is unique because I did run out of bubble bath. But look at the suds on this thing. It's really soft and moisturizing, and the scent, the citron sage, is just like not too overpowering. You guys, this is amazing body wash. I love how it suds up using my African net sponge, you guys. So once I tried this, I went out and found some more, because when I say I like something, oh, I'm getting other products within that brand. I do have a huge bottle of another body wash that smells so fruity, so good. So yeah, try Philosophy if you haven't tried it. I'm gonna go in with my Way scalp and body scrub, you guys. The scent is smelling good. Like, this whole little routine is just smelling so good. I feel so nourished and pampered doing everything, all this TLC in one shower today, because we don't do this every day, but when I do it every few days, it's so relaxing, you guys. And I recommend this body scrub because it's not too harsh on the skin. It really leaves your skin moisturized as well. Far as the hair though, the scalp, I would pass. I do have an actual scalp scrub for the hair. This one I think is a bit too like moisturizing type product for the scalp, but I get the gist of it. But no, not for the scalp. The body, 10 out of 10. So I recently bought this Brazil shave syrup, you guys. The reviews on Target was a little bit mixed up, but my review personally, this is some good stuff. Some good stuff. I'm trying to tell you, it's really good. Super softening of the hair. So I put it on both of my arms before I go in with my men's razor that I recently just started using, a men's razor. And I only started just shaving, making sure I only shave once a week, because I will get a terrible like pain in my underarms. And I was like, you know what, forget trying to keep it bald looking. We're only gonna do a once a week shave. And so far so good with this Brazilian shave syrup. It smells so good. It's really soft on the skin, and I love the pretty bronzy color. It helps prevent ingrowns and razor bumps, so that's a definitely 10 out of 10. Don't forget behind your ears. I see a lot of ladies do not wash behind their ears. Lord. But get behind those ears, child. So we're going to do a final rinse in the shower and get everything off. And I'm going to hop out and deep condition my hair under the dryer for at least 20 minutes. And you already know what I'm using for my downstairs. Yeah. Another important step for extra hygiene is go in. After you shave is a must as well, but every time you wash your underarms, go in with the alcohol. This is 91% to really get all the dirt off, you guys, because if you're not getting super clean when you're just using soap in the shower, so go in with that second step. It's like a toner for your underarms to get her really clean. Guys, one of my favorite body lotions by Shaban. This is the Patchouli Lavender Vanilla scent. It feels so good. It really sets the whole scent of this routine. You're just going to smell like a walking bombshell of goodness. When I tell you it has 7 essential oils in here, it's super soft, moisturizes your skin, lightweight, good for summer days, and it's quite expensive. So I've been really like not using this a lot. So it's a really special everything wash day, from the chocolate mask to my Saban, and I will highly recommend this body lotion. Is at your local Ulta. Get with it or get lost. But yeah, my hair is really feeling so good. Hot before I rinse my hair. It's hot, so I wanted to cool down before I run any water on it. So as you can see, the product has really absorbed into my hair after deep conditioning. I forgot I had that pin in it. That pin that I took out was extra hot. So I'm just loosening up my hair. You guys can see, like, yeah, I look bald. I look bald. But when I rinse out my hair, I'm using cool water, you guys. Every time you rinse out any type of conditioner, use cool water, not hot, because you're going to be rinsing out the moisture. So we're going to be locking in moisture and all the benefits from that conditioner or deep conditioner. So yeah, I'm using cold water, and I normally don't rinse my hair in a sink, but I did not feel like getting back in the shower, especially after I done lotion my body, and that expensive lotion is not about to go down the drain. I do have like a baby fine hair texture as well, so my hair is not going to look like super full, super thick. I do have, what is it, fine low density hair, so yeah, it's not gonna look super thick even when I blow dry it. So we're working on it. I'm gonna see if I could get thick hair, because I am using the Living Proof Density Serum, and my hair has like short pieces that has to grow out, so patience is key. It's mandatory for me to blow dry my hair after I wash it. I cannot leave my hair wet because my hair is prone to single strand knots. I hate single strand knots, and your girl just got rid of all my single strand knots, and I'm so happy. Honestly, that was a terrible feeling, you guys. So using my native, you guys, this has been my go-to deodorant, the powder cotton, so good, and going in with the alcohol to really get any residue from behind my ears as well from the shampoo and conditioner. We don't want to leave product to sit and rot and smell, and that could be a bad hygiene if your ears stink. So taking off this little t-shirt towel, it really absorbs all the water. I really recommend this. Plus I love a lot of hair towels, turbans, whatever. Once my hair is nice and damp, I go in with my leave-in conditioner. This is by the Lymph Retention System, you guys. Ronita B. Huff. This product smells amazing. It smells so freaking good. I never smelled the product like this. And I'm going to use my Aurora Nourishing Gold Line Oil, you guys. Just one little pump, and that's it. Like, that's all you need. Don't overdo the products. And I'm gonna just massage that on my hair shaft and get that right. And one of my favorite arrived, this is the Super Shine Moisturizing Cream. I love this. This leaves my hair smelling so good for days. Fresh, light, moisturized, and I just love this product. So I put all the products in my hair while it's damp, because that's what the directions say. Follow the directions. And I'm gonna blow dry my hair, take my time. I use like a low warm setting to really like get my hair completely dry, especially the scalp. You don't want to leave your scalp wet because it causes fungus and bacteria to grow. So we want to dry your hair. Dry your hair. Last but not least, you guys, I'm using my Mix-Up Bar fragrance from Target. Both fragrances I'm going to be using are from Target, so I haven't pulled out the Mix-Up Bar in a minute, and I'll be using the Finery Pistachio Please. I think this is a dupe for the KLE Pistachio Gelato, because the packaging is super similar and their smell so similar. So if you don't want to get the KLE, it's a little bit pricey. They have it at Target for a dupe. And my favorite lip oil by the Clarins. I love this lip oil, and it's expensive, so I've been using this sparingly. So this shower was really that shower that I use all my good stuff, and I love it. I smell so amazing, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. See you on the next one. Bye.